Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to find USDT ERC20 wallet address on Bybit. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to Bybit application on your mobile phone. After you open your Bybit application, it will look something like this. On this page, click on the Assets button at the bottom right corner. When you click on Assets, you will see these options on your screen. Select Deposit from these options, that is the first option. Now click on Deposit Crypto. Now go to the search bar at the top and type in USDT. Click on Done. Now select USDT from this. Now what you are going to do is choose the chain type as ERC20. When you choose the chain type, you will be able to see your USDT ERC20 wallet address for your Bybit just right here. So click on Copy Address, or you can also click on Save Picture, and Bybit will download this picture on your mobile device. So that's the simple way to find USDT ERC20 wallet address on Bybit. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.